Hello guys. So once Playwright installation done, you will able to see the folder structure like this. And there is a test folder. In the test folder, you will able to see example spec.js file. Playwright gives us an example test file to look at it. But let's create our own test file. So we'll able to understand how it works. Right click on the test folder and click on the new file. We will give name as first test.spec.js. So first thing we need to do after creating the JS file, we need to import the Playwright test. For importing, we need to write import and we import test from so we are importing test from Playwright test. For writing the test block, we will write test, then we need to give the first test name, so we will write it as test case 01 first test. Then we need to write async block, and in the async we need to define page. I will tell you what is a page and why we are using here. So like that we define our first test block. In the test block we will write as await page dot go to so we are navigating to this Google page. A notice here two incredibly important keywords, await and async. Because browser actions takes time to happen over the network, JavaScript handles them asynchronously. So every time you tell the browser to do something like to go to the URL or to click on the button, you must tell Playwright to await the action before moving to the next line. So like here we only have one line and we have multiple lines like await page dot go to like another URL. So to tell the JavaScript or browser that after completing first line it should navigate to the another line, we are using the await here. And look at this page. So page is the predefined fixture in the Playwright. We will see what is a fixture in the next video. Page is the Playwright fixture which automatically handles opening of isolated browser contexts. So every time we write a test block and we execute it, like we have the different test block here, another one with the test case 2, and we are executing these two test cases. So each test case will execute on the new browser context. So it will give us fresh page for the specific test, and it will completely eliminate the session leakage between these two tests or two browser contexts. For executing this test, we will write command npx playwright test. So it will execute our all four test cases on three different browsers: WebKit, Firefox, and Chromium browser. So for checking the report, we will write this command. We will able to see reports of our execution. See here first test case 2, first test case 2, like that. But have you noticed here our all test case run on headless mode. So by default Playwright runs the test in the headless mode. To execute the test on the headed mode, we need to write one word after command. Hyphen headed. So after executing this command, you will able to see browser launches and execute the test case. All our test case got executed and pass. So in the next session, we will learn about different Playwright concept. Thank you.